Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make スナップエンドウのツナ玉炒め. It's snappy stir-fried with tuna and egg. It's such a simple dish, but tuna adds so much flavor and umami and it's delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this スナップエンドウのツナ玉炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Snap peas, it's about 300 grams. 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and canned tuna. I'm preparing the snap peas first. Snap the bottom end of the pea toward this straight side and pull. Then, this top end toward this curved side and pull. To remove these, prepare some boiling water and add half a teaspoon of salt. Put the beans, let's cook it for 1.5 minutes with the lid on. Kill the heat and drain the beans. Cut the beans into half diagonally. Crack the eggs in the bowl. Beat the eggs. Canned tuna, oil and everything. One tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of hondashi, pinch of salt, and pinch of sugar. Mix it well. Heat up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over high heat. Add the egg and tuna mixture. And mix it with thick stroke. When it's half cooked, add the peas. And it's done. Serve in the plate. Put some black pepper if you like. And スナップエンドウのツナ玉炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Snap pea and egg together. いただきます。As I said at the beginning, tuna adds so much flavor and the texture of snap pea is just amazing. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. You could have this as a main dish because it contains a lot of protein, but for me, it's more like a side, so let's put it here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Onion miso soup or any soup you like here. I don't eat much protein in the main, so how about ebi fry onigirazu, which will also cover the rice. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!